everyone. So it's January, the beginning of a new year, and we all like to be healthy at the beginning of a year. So I am going to do a nice healthy tea today. I started with some fresh ginger and turmeric. I peeled them, sliced them very thinly, and then I let them infuse into some hot water to make a lovely ginger turmeric tea. This is going to be really simple today, not many ingredients. We're going to be using the Meyer lemon and ginger, of course. I'm going to start with 2 ounces of Meyer lemon and ginger. I'm going to do 2 ounces of fresh lemon. And then I'm going to do 1 ounce of honey. I'm going to ballpark this a little bit because it's sticky. Okay, that's 1 ounce. I'm going to give this a quick stir. Try to get some of that honey nicely dissolved. And of course, all of these ingredients are very soothing, a lot of anti-inflammatory, really great detox tea with just a teeny tiny bit of a kick from the Liqueur from home. I'm going to go ahead and pour that into, I have a little glass mug right here. So we're looking about 2/3 of that mixture, and then I'm going to top it with my ginger turmeric tea all the way to the top. And it's just a beautiful, gorgeous color because of the turmeric, basically, which, little tip for you, put gloves on when you're slicing turmeric. I have totally stained hands right now, but healthy and delicious. Gonna garnish it with a quick lemon wheel. And there we have it. The lovely, healthy ginger, lemon, turmeric tea. Stay healthy.